Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn trigonometry. Exercise 6.3. In that sixth problem we will see. Sixth one. A lift in a building. A lift in a building. A lift in a building of height 90 feet with transparent glass walls is descending from the top of the building. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60 degrees. 2 minutes later, the angle of depression reduces to 30 degrees if the fountain is 30√3 feet from the entrance of the lift. Find the speed of the lift which is descending. So this is the problem they give. So based on this, we have to draw a triangle to solve this problem. Solution. Okay. So what we will do, we have to draw a triangle for this. A lift in a building of height 90 feet. So one building is there. This is the building. Height is how much? 90 feet. So a lift in a building of height 90 feet, with transparent glass walls is descending from the top of the building. So from this top of the building, the lift is coming down like this. From the top of the building, the lift is coming down. Descending means coming down. Okay. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60 degrees. So opposite to this, one garden is there. Let us draw one line like this. Okay. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60 degrees. Let here the fountain. So here the garden is there, or a fountain. Okay. So at the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden is 60 degrees. Top and this both you join. This angle will be 60 degrees. 2 minutes later, the angle of depression is reduced to 30 degrees. 2 minutes later means, so within 2 minutes the lift will be coming down somewhat here. Let us think that within 2 minutes the lift is came here. From here it started. After 2 minutes it reached here. Now at this point the angle of depression is given. So this will be 30 degrees. At the starting, the lift is descending, no? At the starting, at the top of the building, they gave 60 degrees. After 2 minutes means that the lift will be traveled some distance, no? So let us think that it is traveled this much of distance in 2 minutes. So at this point, the angle of depression is given 30 degrees. Okay. Next, what is saying? If the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance of the lift. So this is the entrance of the lift. From here, this distance the given. This distance. If the fountain is 30 root 3 feet from the entrance of the lift. From the entrance of the lift, the fountain at a distance of 30 root 3 feet. 30 root 3 feet. Now we have to find the speed of the lift. The lift is descending, coming out, no, coming down. The lift is coming down. What speed it is coming down? You have to find out. So we have to find out lift speed. Lift speed. You have to find out at what speed the lift is coming down. So from here to here it took 2 minutes. At the starting the lift was here. After 2 minutes it reached here. So when it reached here, the angle of depression is 30 degrees. Starting 60 degrees. Okay. Now we will give the name for this. A, B, C, D. So let us take total 90 feet. Total is 90 feet. Let us take this as H. Now you take triangle ABC. ABC triangle ABC triangle. Tan 30 we can get. Tan 30. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is H. Adjacent is 30 root 3 feet. 30 root 3 feet. Tan 30 we know answer, that is 1 by root 3. H by 30 root 3. Root 3 ka answer. Then do cross multiplication. Here 1 will be there. H into 1 H. 30 into 1 30. So H answer is 30 feet. That is H answer. Okay. Now observe. This is 30 feet means CD how much will be there? So observe this. DB. D to B total 90 feet. DB means what? DC plus CB. 90 feet. Now we got H. H means what? CB answer. CB H. So DC plus CB 30 feet. 90 feet. So DC equals to 90 minus 30. 60 feet. So this will be 60 feet. C to D 60 feet, and C to B, that is H, nothing but 30 feet. Now we have to find out the speed. We have to find out, no? Okay. Speed formula we know. Speed equals to distance by time, equals to distance. Observe here, from D to C, what is the distance? 60 feet, divided by time. From D to C, how much time it took? It took 2 minutes. So generally speed will be in terms of meters per second. So here it is 2 minutes, no? 2 minutes means into 60 you multiply, you will get seconds. And here we have 60 feet. So this we have to remember, 1 feet equals to 0.305 meters. Remember this. 1 feet equals to 0.305 meters. 60 feet. So multiply with 0.305. Now if you simplify this, you will get answer in terms of meter per second. That is equals to 60 का answer. 0.305 divided by 2, you will get 0.15 meter per second. So if you want to write in feet per second, you can write, no problem. Speed equals to distance by time. Distance how much? 60 feet. Time 2 minutes, no? 2 into 60 seconds. 60 का answer. 1/2 feet per second. Nothing but 0.5 feet per second. That's it. Okay. So this is the problem. Answer is speed equals to 0.15 meter per second. Otherwise speed equals to 0.5 feet per second. These two answers you can write. Just go through this. Building 90 feet height. Then one lift is coming down from this top of the building like this. At the top of the building, to the opposite garden, fountain is saying, okay. At the top of the building, the angle of depression to a fountain in the garden. So here one garden is there, in that fountain is there. That angle of depression is 60 degrees. After 2 minutes, the lift came up to here. After 2 minutes, from here to here it came. Then at this point, the angle of depression is 30 degrees. From that we have to find the speed of the lift. So this distance, if you find out, then speed equals to distance by time, you can find out. Distance, this distance how much we have. So we got how much we got? 60 feet. 60. 60 I multiplied with 0.305. Why? Because 1 feet equals to 0.305 meters. Then this 2 is also I multiplied with 60. Why? Because 2 minutes we converted to seconds. So 60. That's it. Okay. Thank you.